Have you been waiting for your JVD amount, not sure whether your fee reimbursement has been credited or not? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the official method to check your JVD payment status online in just few minutes using a portal. So make sure you watch the video till end. And if you are new here, I post videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, free courses, hackathon opportunities, career opportunities for students and working professional as well. So if you don't want to miss such opportunities, make sure to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell to never miss out any update from my channel. And also follow my social media handles for more. In this video, I'll explain how to check your JVD amount online, how to view your payment status, what the payment details mean. And before moving to the video, if you want this video in any other language like Telugu, Hindi or any other language, according to your comfortable, you can switch language and listen to the video. So I'll show you how you can do this. Go to my channel, open any video. Suppose I open this video. Here you can see settings. Click on settings, audio track, and here you can see list of languages. Currently the original language of the video is English. If you want to convert it into any other language like Telugu, Hindi, you can convert. Just select the language and your video will automatically convert it to that language, and it will be easy for you to understand about the video. So in this way you can switch to any language and listen to the video and understand the topic. So go to browser and type Jnanabhumi Portal. You can just click this. Click on Jnanabhumi Portal. This is the portal where you can find your reimbursement details. Close this. Click on login. So if you are new here, you don't have username or password, right? So what you will do is click on forgot password. Select your identity. If you are a student, employee, college, university or any other, select that student. Suppose you're a student, select student. Then enter your Aadhaar card number here. Then click on get verification code. Then you'll get reset password. You can give your new password and confirm it and enter the OTP which you received to your phone number. Just check your SMS. You can find it out. And password must have one uppercase A to Z, one lowercase, small letters, numbers, and password must be between 8 to 19 characters. So more than 8 characters you need to have your password. Also use space and symbols. And then click on reset password. Then you can log into your account. Now again come back to account, click on login. Give your username as your Aadhaar number and password which we just set now. Okay. And then click on sign in. You'll get this page, enter your OTP here, then click on submit. If you haven't got any OTP, you can resend OTP. The dashboard, you can see 2024 to 2025. This is the current year for which they have the status, and you can also see the status of this year. So let's see the latest one. It is 2024 to 2025. Click on activities. So first, when you you don't know your student ID, right? So to know student ID, just click on this. Select your Aadhaar number here. Give your Aadhaar number here. Then click on get details. You'll get your ID. Okay. So you'll get your details here. You'll get your academic year and the application ID here. So these are the application IDs. If you want if you want to see, so based on the year, you'll get your student ID. So for every year, your student ID will change. So if you want to know the status of 2025 to your status of JVD amount of 2025 to 2026, you can select this student ID. You can just copy this. Click on back to status check. Click on view or print scholarship details. Here enter the ID which you copied now. Okay. Then click on get details. After entering your ID, just click on get details. So here you can see your reimbursement details. Like in first year, how much amount credited, in second year, how much credited. So MTF means maintenance fee, like for your purpose, like for your maintenance. And RTF means reimbursement fees which will be credited to your college account. And MTF will be credited to your account. So here you can check how much amount was credited to your account. Here you can find all details like your personal details, admission details, certificate details, caste certificate details, RTF release status. Like you can see your when it was credited and to which bank it was credited and what is the release amount, what is the release date and payment done. So if the account is with your college, the amount will be credited to your college. And if you want to print this, also you can print it. You can click on print here and all your details will be printed here. Okay, so all your details you can see here and you can save this. So that is how you can check your JVT amount if it is credited or not. You can also check the status like it's went for verification, and if something like 6-step verification or any other thing, you can check the status here. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, hype and share this with your friends. It really motivates me to keep posting such genuine updates for you. And if you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, just let me know in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. So, and if you don't want to miss any tech updates, job updates, internship or free courses, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.